Yeah, welcome to the pre-cruise video where we're not cruising, but we're headed down to cruising. We've got a back-to-back cruise going on, so I think we have a couple of more bags that I gotta load up. So we're staying at the Harbor House on Pier 21. We've never stayed there. We was like, hey, let's splurge, so that's what we're doing. And wish we would have thought about that beforehand, because we'd already purchased our parking. So you know, it is what it is. Harbor House is right next door to the port. So anyway, so I'm gonna finish getting all my stuff ready, and you know, like the Brad Paisley song, I'm waiting on a woman. So she's getting ready, and we're in no rush today. This is kind of the start of our vacation, right? 2 weeks, man, back to back. Anyways, I'm not much of a morning person, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing off, and we're gonna go and see about making our way down to freaking Galveston, by God, Texas. We made it to the Harbor House here. I'm going to show you inside of the room here. We are at the Harbor House here in Galveston, and going to give you a quick little tour of the place here. So here we got the bathrooms. Got a stand-up shower. Okay, nice little bathroom here. This right here, just a little bit of warning, there's a light, but right here, this will actually show you shadow on the other side. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so I'll walk out. So what I'm talking about is right over here, you're going to see a shadow. So just letting you know. So the bed, you got a king size bed, at least for this one we do. And then And then you got a couple of chairs. Nice TV. Got a nice TV there. And then you got all this. You do have a microwave. And you do have a refrigerator right there. Little coffee maker. They gave us a couple of waters there. And there's a little closet right here. You can hang stuff up. I got my jersey hanged up. You can't tell, but it's there. A little chair. These chairs right here are like really comfortable. I'll show you the view here in a minute, but I will say that the ceiling I should say, is really neat. It's really cool. Really cool. I like the decor in here. Kind of a old-fashioned rustic kind of thing. So it's kind of bright outside, but I'll show you the view that we have from this room at least. As you see, just out there. Got a couple of restaurants. Got a couple of restaurants right here, and then also, of course, we're going on a cruise tomorrow, so we'll be able to watch the ships come in from here. And then the pier is right down there, and I'll show you the pier. This is the outside. I'm gonna go and get a chair out of the back of the truck. But as you can see, this is the parking lot over here. This is the parking. I think it's $15 a night. And they give you like the key card, gets you in the gate. So anyway, I'm gonna get my chair out of the pickup truck and go sit out here on the pier. It's a nice night. It just really is. So there's a couple of restaurants right here. Willie G's and Fisherman's Wharf, I think is what it's called. There's another one over yonder, all within walking distance right here. The Strand is like right across the street, basically. We'll sit out here in the morning and watch the ships roll in. So when we come out here in the morning, the ships will be coming in right out here, right? I'm not sure if there's going to be a Royal Caribbean ship, but they dock out there, out that way. But the Carnival port is right over here. And in the morning, they'll have the Breeze and the Vista. And usually, the Breeze will be on the far side and the Vista will be on this side. I'm not sure the reason why they do it like that, but they do it like that anyway. Now they're doing some upgrading to the port, getting ready for the Jubilee to be here later on this year. So that's cool. But we'll sit out here. Now I've already got parking for the cruise, and I booked that parking before we booked this room. This room here, it is sweet. I don't think the pictures do it justice. It's probably the best the best the best room that we've stayed at so far here in Galveston. So it's definitely worth the money that you know, I forgot how much it was, but I would say it's definitely worth every penny. Like I said, the room is nice, quiet, and cold. AC works really good, and so I definitely would recommend the Harbor House, that's for sure. And you can just park here. Not, I know a lot. They asked me if I wanted to, if I was going to park here. I guess you can park here for the duration of your cruise. But like I said, we already had our cruise parking booked, and we got it for like 2 weeks, back to back. Anyways, I'm just going to sit out here this evening and just chill, and wake up in the morning and watch the ships roll in. So from Galveston, Texas, stay tuned for cruise videos. Carnival Vista coming up real soon. 73.